Welcome to Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, Video, and Audio. Earlier today, I went to Best Buy and bought myself an HP Spectre 2-in-1. They call it the 360, and it's a 14-inch. It has 16 gigs of RAM and a terabyte of SSD. Very nice unit. Has two Thunderbolt connections and also a USB-A on the other side and a combo port for mic and headphones. So I liked it very much. I've always wanted to get one. They had a super sale price on it. But I did encounter one issue. Two issues actually I'm going to talk about. One, the render time. I had a 7-minute video. It rendered it at 15 minutes plus. Quite a long time, actually, And I think it did that because, let me just explain the video project. It had, the video track, which includes the intro and the outro and all the video elements, and quite a few video elements. And of course, there's transitions between each video element, and each the video elements I color corrected individually. I just clicked on it and said, hey, just do it automatically with DaVinci Resolve and automatically adjust the color. And did a pretty good job. So I did that for about, I think it's about 15 segments in this video. So again, it took longer than I expected to render this video. And it was also quite noisy. The fan noise was quite significant. So let me put on the editing right here and on my video and let you listen to the fan noise. Let me take off my mic here. Excuse the noise. That's at its quietest. That's pretty quiet actually. So let me try this experiment again. This time I'm going to take out all the color corrections and see how it comes out, and I'll share the results with you. So eliminate all the color corrections I did in DaVinci Resolve, the latest version. I just downloaded it for my little 14-inch, and let's see how that works out. Stay tuned. So here's my timeline in DaVinci Resolve, the free version. I have my logo on top, another track with some subtitles, and just one simple video track. This time around I decided to keep it simple with one transition. And it's only 7 minutes and 27 seconds long. But it took 21 minutes and 28 seconds to render. That's a bit long, don't you even think? I placed my Rode Wireless Go right on top of the keyboard so you can hear all the noise, all the fan noise. In a few seconds here, you're going to hear me talking, doing my outro, and it's even going to get noisier. So my report on the use case scenarios for my HP Spectre 360 2-in-1 14-inch laptop. 2024 edition with the latest current iteration of the i7 by the folks at Intel. Slow and noisy is my what I figured out for this laptop. It's a bit slow, hella slow actually, and it's hella noise. That fan noise is significant. It's a significant fan noise. It's taking more time than I would, like to render a video. So in all probability, tomorrow, I'm going to take it back to the folks at Best Buy. Even though I got significant discount, it's not going to work for me because I don't like all that racket. All that fan noise. I mean, it's consistent. It doesn't stop. It's nonstop. When you're editing video, it just is on. it doesn't stop. It's always on. And I have it elevated on a little grid, so it has some ventilation and some movement, but that doesn't help either. So slow rendering, noisy, nice looking computer though. I like it. It's compact. So, but it looks like I'm gonna have to either get 32 gigs of RAM or a laptop with a dedicated graphics card. This has the ARC that comes with the latest iteration of the Intel i7, but it's doesn't do the job. Doesn't do the job even for me, and I only do 10-15 hours a week of video editing and photography editing. So thanks for checking out my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. And leave your kind and friendly comments below and give me your impressions of this little review of a purchase of mine at Best Buy of this laptop. I thought I had a good deal. I thought it was a good deal, but it turned out not to be such a good deal. Don't forget to check out my website also, Jesús Manuel Mena Garza, photography and video, JMMGARZA.com. Thank you very much. From Fort Worth, Texas, hope you're doing absolutely fantastic wherever you're at. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.